Welcome back to Sunny Stocks India. Today, we will try to value Zaggle Prepaid. It is one of the fastest growing B2B fintech SaaS companies in India. They provide a platform that helps businesses manage employee expenses, corporate cards, travel expenses, procurement, and account payable automation. Imagine you own a company with 1,000 employees. Every month, your finance team has to deal with employees asking for travel reimbursements, giving meal cards and gift vouchers, paying vendors, tracking who spent what, making sure nobody overspends, collecting thousands of bills and invoices. It's a huge headache. This is exactly the problem Zaggle solves. Think of Zaggle as the finance operating system for companies. Instead of using Excel sheets, paper bills, and manual approvals, companies use Zaggle software to manage all their spending from one dashboard. Companies using Zaggle like their services because it saves time, money, manual work, fraud, accounting errors. Finance teams can track every rupee spent in real time. It sits between employees, finance teams, banks, and vendors, ensuring companies' spending is controlled and automated. Known business houses like Tech Mahindra, Seimens, India Infoline, Fedral Bank, Hindware, and over 3,900 corporate customers, including new age companies like Blinkit, Truecaller, and many others, use Zaggle. They offer services across sectors like IT, retail, manufacturing, healthcare, BFSI, logistics, and consumer brands. The current stock price is around 208 with a market cap of over 2,700 crore. The stock price is close to 52 weeks low. The nearly 50% correction in Zaggle over the past year has been driven more by re-rating of the stock and changing investor expectations than by any deterioration in underlying business. In fact, the company has continued to deliver strong revenue and profit growth. After its IPO, Zaggle was one of the market's favorite small cap fintech stock. Investors valued it, expecting years of super growth, pushing its valuation to demanding levels. Zaggle's IPO price was around 164 in September 2023. It saw highs of 560 in January 2025. However, since then, the stock kept seeing consistent fall even though the revenue and profit grew. The market expected much higher EBITDA margin than just the 9 to 10% the company has delivered. Plus, Zaggle has been actively acquiring businesses to broaden its platform. The market typically waits for proof that acquisitions are creating shareholders' value. All these factors resulted in decline. However, now the stock is beaten down significantly and is available at attractive valuation. The revenue and profits are growing consistently not only from the existing businesses but also from businesses that Zaggle has acquired. Businesses such as TaxSpanner, Dice, Mobileway Technologies have started showing momentum. Zaggle's businesses can continue to grow revenue by 40% as it expands rapidly. It has partnered with HPCL for their flagship fleet program and has also entered into an agreement with APAC Financial Services to offer Zaggle Save and Zoyer platform. It is also empaneled by Canara Bank, which means that Zaggle can offer its services to corporate customers of Canara Bank, which is a huge base. So a 40% growth increase in revenue is very much doable, and improved profit margin at just 7.5%. The business will end up with a profit after tax of 195 crore, and at a PE of just 25, the business would be valued at over 4,900 crores. Current market cap of Zaggle is around 2,800 crore, which means the stock price has a potential to grow by 75% in the next 1 year. This was my analysis of Zaggle Prepaid. Keep tracking the quarterly result and make sure business stays on track and do your own research. Thank you and bye bye.